Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside trim removal kit, 14 pieces included inside, used to install and remove trim, interior fittings and more. Suitable for most common cars at the market. 11 interior trim tools, 2 radio removal tools, 1 roof light clip and includes storage bag. And we can see where we can use these tools and other application at the car. Well, let's open to see what we have inside. Let's see what we've got. And of course inside we're gonna find out and the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Oh, now let's see one by one the tools. That definitely you can use it just to remove the rubber around the doors or at the roof and install some cables. Pointed. And even you can use this for removing fastening clips. I have made a video, you can check it right in the corner in the end of this video about these fastening clips. Goes here, slide inside, advance, pull it, and you can remove it. Different sizes, different designs. Definitely they will help to remove any parts from your car, from your interior accessories. Ooh, nice, I like that. And I think we've got these two for the radio. This is metal, at the front plastic. All the other parts are from plastic. These two for the radio is metal. And all that included at the box with a lovely case. They cost about 12 euros. And I'm sure they are very helpful if you are the guy that he likes to make stuff at the car, fixing stuff at the car. I'm sure it will be very helpful, just buy it. The cost is so low, only 12 euros, but I'm sure at the right moment they will help you and do your job quickly. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.